Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Today I am going to show you how to easily connect your HP Envy 6000 series printer using Wi-Fi Direct. The best part about Wi-Fi Direct is that you don't need a router or any complicated setup. Just a simple direct connection between your phone and your printer. So grab your printer and your phone and let's get started. Alright, the first thing you wanna do is switch on your printer. Next, pull out the paper tray, load some paper into the printer and close the tray. After you have loaded the paper, you will notice the resume button lighting up. Just press it to continue with your print job. Flip your printer around and locate and press the Wi-Fi button at the back. Then press the information button once so you can print out a handy information page. On that information page, you need to look for the Wi-Fi Direct name and password. Grab your phone and go to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the direct name you just printed and simply tap on it to connect. Type in the Wi-Fi Direct password listed on the information page. Now download the HP Smart app on your phone. If you are using Android or iOS, install it from your Play Store or App Store. Please note, if you haven't set up your account on the HP Smart app so far, you can check out the links in the description below for our step-by-step videos. Just pause this video and follow along. Once you are all set up, open the HP Smart app. On the home screen, tap on Add Printer or that little plus icon up in the top right corner. Select Already Connected to Network option. Choose your HP Envy 6000 series printer from the list. Your printer should now show up right there on the HP Smart app home screen. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.